Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to place the Samsung A04e into maintenance mode. So maintenance mode is intended for cases where you're going to bring your device in for work. So for example, if you wanted to bring this in for software work into the shop or to any repair shop or maybe work on the device in any way, and you'd want whoever is working on it to have access to your device, what you can actually do guys is to put your device into maintenance mode. So go to settings. So once you're in settings, you're gonna go down, and of course you're gonna see device care, and from here you're gonna see this. So you're gonna go down, and here that it says maintenance mode. So tap maintenance mode. Here it will basically tell you maintenance mode and what it does. So it protects your privacy while someone else is using your phone, such as when you're sending it for repairs. And it says how it keeps you safe. Only pre-installed apps are available. Personal data, including pictures, messages, accounts, can't be accessed, and downloaded apps are hidden. You will need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode. All right. And it says what happens when you turn on maintenance mode. Everything will go back to the way it was before. Nothing will be saved. And of course, here you go. So you can actually hit turn on maintenance mode. And of course, it says here you can also restart without creating a log. It says your phone needs to restart to turn on maintenance mode. To help your support staff analyze your platform with your phone, recommend creating a system log before starting. All right. So they recommend creating a system log. The log shows which apps are used and any errors that may have occurred recently. So of course, if you're sending it to Samsung or any other repair services, you can actually do that. So I'm going to say restart without creating a log. So if you want the device not to create a log, check this box. So it says restart without creating a log. So normally you don't need to check anything, simply hit restart. So it says this normally takes around 2 minutes after a log is created. Your phone will restart in maintenance mode, and you can hand over your phone for maintenance. All right, the fun thing about this is it's quick, it's effective, and it's easy to create or place your device into this mode instead of actually going through and removing stuff, and in case the repair team needs to do anything. All right, so just allow it to do its thing, and it's gonna reboot. All right, so guys, here we go. So you're in maintenance mode. You'll know because it says maintenance mode. All right, so of course, notice the screen add on several apps. It's only showing the key apps on the device. All right, so all of the usual apps are gone and only the key ones are left. All right, and you know because on every screen it will say maintenance mode. All right, to exit it, let's say for example you can send out your device now. Let's say for example you wanted, after getting back your device, to take it out of this mode. Simply swipe down. Sorry. All right, there you go. So swipe down, and here it says sorry. All right, so this device is kind of the touch screen is kind of finicky, and it says tap here to exit. So when you're ready to exit, tap and do whatever it says. Ask for the password, go ahead and enter it, and of course you'll be able to exit this mode. All right, so that's how to exit the maintenance mode. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.